Today we're making customer relationships easier. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. Managing customer relationships is no big deal. You can run it all on paper, use your notebook or sticky notes, or you can go even further and keep it all in a spreadsheet. If you're still living in the previous century and you have just one single customer. Now, if you want to run your sales like a grown-up, you definitely need a CRM. And there's a lot of them on the market, but most of them are so complex that you would need a training course. Not to mention that they have tons of modules and features you'll never use, but you still pay for them. And it's pricey, for the record. You need a tool that you and your team will get familiar with from the get-go. No fluff, no bulky modules and integrations you won't ever use. That's why PitchGround brings you a lifetime deal for Samdock, radically simplified and straightforward CRM. Samdock was designed to help you sell more effectively and have a better time while you're doing it. You don't need hundreds of distracting bells and whistles, dozens of screens and menus, or complicated workflows. That's why the Samdock team left them all out and focused on making sure the features you actually use were as simple and powerful as possible. You keep it all in one place, but still, you keep it simple, nice and clean. Now what you want to do is go to pitchground.com and get yourself a lifetime deal for Samdock. And don't miss the use case video where Mark will show you how to use this awesome business tool. That's pretty much it, guys. Love you all, keep safe, and I see you guys in the next video.